In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix no Wi-Fi on a computer. Now, right here is the Wi-Fi signal. If you see this, then you know you have Wi-Fi. If you don't see this here and you can't locate the internet on the computer, it's likely that the adapter got uninstalled. The first thing you can do is go to the company's website through another computer where you can access Wi-Fi. So you have to locate the name of the computer and the model. So for example, if it's this computer right here, you have to narrow it down by searching for it using keywords here as well. Operating system, release date, narrow it down, and then in the results, you're going to see the Wi-Fi adapter appear, and then you can just download it, whichever one it may be, and then you can transfer that driver to a USB flash drive, and then you can take that flash drive and put it on the computer where you need the Wi-Fi, and then you can install the adapter, and that should work. However, what if the USB drivers are not working either on the computer? What if there's several issues, not just the Wi-Fi, several things are not working, and there's no way to update it because there's no internet? Now, if this solution will not work, a likely last resort would be to do a system restore. So I'm going to show you how to do a system restore. Just type in the Windows search, system restore. So it already found it as I'm typing it. Go to create a restore point. Go to system restore. Next. Now right here, it's giving you restore points. So let's say the issue with the Wi-Fi not being available occurred around a couple of days ago. So here it goes back to 12:18, and over here it's 3 seconds apart. So it could have been between this time and this time. Now, if you have to go back further, you can even go back to a few days before. So if today's the 18th, this would be the 14th, which gives you 4 days. So within 4 days, if the problems with the Wi-Fi occurred, you can choose a restore point here. So let's say you want to choose this point. Let's say the problem occurred within this time frame, so you can choose this point. So you could select right here, go to next. Now it says right here, your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event, and the description field below. So what this is going to do is it's going to restore the computer before the event occurred with the Wi-Fi, which means it's likely going to have the adapter that got uninstalled. So by doing the restore, it's going to restore the adapter and the computer will have Wi-Fi. Now, the disadvantage of this is it does take time. This could take around a half hour or more, depending on the speed of the computer and how many files you have in the computer, because it has to restore it. And right over here, make sure to read these instructions. It tells you things that you should do before you decide to do the restore. And then the next thing you can do is just go to finish and let the restore run its course. Do not interrupt it. It's going to take time, and once it's done, the Wi-Fi should then reappear. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.